Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video about macro monster E-cuts. And this is, I almost think I made a video on this nesting tool before, but you've got a lot of stars that are, or any shape that you've drawn, and you need to nest them. And nesting means putting them as close together as you can to save wood and time. And you could manually move these guys around and nest them together and spin them around, but you're not gonna ever do it the way the software can do it. So let's select our group. Let's go right here to E-cuts and nest. It's gonna ask you your sheet size, which is 40 by 28. And there's a bunch of different layouts and tolerances, but I didn't change anything. And then hit apply. You've got that much room left from your sheet. Now, I do not know why it doesn't put it in the page, but that's really beside the point. It is grouped together, so you could hit P and put it in the center of the page and actually move it down. And if you, depending if you want it to the top, they're still grouped together, so you could do this and have the sharp bottom on the bottom or on the top. And then let's just nudge them up 1/4 of an inch. And you would save a lot of wood if you just realized what I just did. Anyway, so that's nesting with Macro Monster. Hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching. And one thing, this would probably not work. This is only gonna work if you're gonna cut it out. If you're gonna have something engraved on them, some of them are going to be turned upside down and spent, and I don't think that would work, but we might try that. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.